look at me. So if the definition of Kedusha is making the unity, so okay, whoever does is not married needs to get married, but besides that, what other kinds of unity we have to do? What is the unity we have to do? Where is the unity we're working on? So in the Kabbalah we're speaking about spiritual couple. It's very hard to speak about spiritual because the default of our understanding goes back to the physical, and we don't want to mix boxes. We don't want to speak about spiritual realms and think about physical. We want to speak about physical and think about spiritual. So the spiritual couple we're speaking about is Zair and Pin Nukba. I don't know if you know this couple. They have parents. We call them Abba and Ima. They have a grandfather, call him Marich and Pin. Ay, 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 ay. So Abba and Ima brings the abundance, the sustenance that is needed for the young couple to get married, to get the unity. And the question is, where are we in this picture? Where are we in this picture? Where are we in the spiritual realms? Where are we in this picture? Where are we within the spiritual realms? Okay, so this is a little bit hard to explain, but with the help of Hashem, everything is possible. So our job is to sort out between the good and bad in this world. When we do that, obviously the definition of what is good, what is bad is according to the Torah. When we do that properly, we're starting a process that is called the elevation of man. I'm not going to explain in details what it is right now, but it is a process that finally it goes up to the upper arms and it creates a chain reaction that in the end of this chain reaction, Abba and Ima will be within unity, and that unity will bring the sustenance back to Zair and Pin Nukba. And when they get to their unity, basically mission accomplished. Obviously, it's much longer, there's many details, but that's a certain point you can start from. So, hopefully, we'll get to understand all the details of this wonderful process and be part of that and bring this flow of man and let it get to the highest and really make that wonderful effect of bringing down the abundance. Bringing down the abundance from the spiritual realms. Bring it down, bring it here. We want to see miracles in this world. We want to experience the unity. Nine, 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 nine. revelation is the revelation of the kingdom of Hashem. And what is the revelation of the kingdom of Hashem? That we see that there's no objection, there's no opposition. We'll see it's all one. That's the real unity. Hashem, we'll see it very soon. Blessings from King David's tomb. Baruch Adonai leolam, amen v'amen.